Welcome back to Angela.S. In my previous video, I show you guys how to make Cambodian crepe, and today I am going to show you guys another yummy food. It's called chicken rice soup, or we call porridge. Alright guys, let's come and make it with me. Alright guys, first of all, we're gonna smash this garlic together, and we're gonna add like half a spoon of black pepper and smash it together. There we go. We're gonna need some of the chopped garlic. So we're gonna make it like for fry rice a little bit before we put in the soup. Also, we kind of need of the fried garlic to make it the soup like smell and taste really different and taste good. Alright guys, I think I stepped ahead a little bit earlier. Here is the garlic and the black pepper that we smashed together, and then I pour some fish sauce. Yeah, like maybe 5 tablespoons of fish sauce. Yeah, I pour in here, and yeah, I also put some of the sugar, like maybe also like 5 tablespoons of sugar. And right now I'm gonna go ahead and put like maybe 2 tablespoons of this brown sugar. So yeah, brown sugar, it tastes better, so I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of this. There you go. Then I'm gonna put like this one is called like chicken broth. Mainly it's like the flavor, yeah, chicken flavor. You're gonna add like maybe also like about also let's do just 2 tablespoons on this one. Alright, you're gonna just mix them together. I think this is pretty much ingredient that we need for porridge. And yeah, I've been boiling the water, so we're gonna just put this in the water. So now the water is already boiled. I also would like to let you know, mainly for the water, it's up to what you like or how you like. For me personally, I like it more liquid, so I add a little bit extra water. So I use 6 water of, I use this bowl as a measure, so I use 6 of them. Yeah, and this is the ingredient, yeah, the one that we just mixed together. After we put the all sauce that we already mixed together in there, we are going to use the meat. So I prefer chicken because I love chicken, and then I love like Asian chicken, so I will use the whole chicken. It's a little bit extra meat, but it's okay. You can just keep like extra meat, you know, eat it on the side or waste another dish later. So I just prefer to cook the whole thing, so I can just leave it over sometimes. And I love pork, so I love the hard pork hearts. So I got 1 extra pork heart to go in there. So the same for the meat. It's up to you. Actually, it's still optional. So we can use chicken, we can use pork, or we can use fish. So I love chicken and pork, so I'm just gonna use this. So after we put that, we will have to wait until like a little bit boiling, and then we're gonna put rice in there to make it like expand together. While we are waiting for the soup to boil, so I am just going to make rice. For rice, it's also depend on you. You can wash it, and after you just put in the soup together, it's fine too. I don't like it so expanded so big, so I'm just going to fry it a little bit before I put in the soup. Okay, so the way we do it is make the pan hot, and then I would just use just a little bit of olive oil. You know, I try to like minimize of using oil, so I don't use a lot. I would just use like 1 or 2 spoon table, mainly to just fry the garlic that I chopped it earlier. This is the garlic that I chopped earlier. Yep, the same for this garlic. We're gonna wait it until it brown. So when it turns brown, it make it smell really good. So wait for this. Alright guys, now you can see the garlic turning so brown, which is good, like this much, it's brown. And then I'm not gonna put them all. I'm just gonna keep them some for at the end when it's cooked. I will keep some. Yeah, we can take some out, and then I'm gonna put the rice. Yeah, for the rice, I 6 water of the bowl. 6 bowl of the water, and then it's gonna be 1 bowl of rice. Like I said guys, we're gonna fry it a little bit, okay? So normally for the rice, when you fry it a little bit like this, even though you have the leftover of the porridge, you can keep it longer, so it won't be like become moist together. It will stay like liquid and rice separately. I don't know how to explain that. Actually, the real word, guy. I'm sorry. Okay, you kind of mix it like this. Left it like maybe 5 to 7 minutes. Alright, wait for the next step. Here you go guys. Let me show you the chicken a little bit. It's totally boiling right now. So after it boils like that, now you can add the rice in there. Let me put down my phone, my camera actually. Yes, right now we're gonna put rice that we fried earlier with the chicken. That way rice and the chicken, they're gonna cook at the same time. Okay, just get them all in there. Hopefully don't spill it. All right. Here you go guys. Now you might can see the soup, the chicken, and the rice gonna be cooked. I believe it's take at least 15, no, more than 15, at least 20 minutes to be ready. Alright guys, while I'm waiting for this, I'm gonna prepare some other ingredients that can go with it. Alright, check with me. Alright guys, here is it's kind of herb. I don't know what it is called, and I asked Brian. Brian said it is green thing, which is funny because I think he doesn't know as well. And let me show you guys. If you guys can look closely, I don't know what it is. In Khmer we call G, but I don't know in English. So we will need to chop this in a very small pieces that we can just put on top or in the bowl of soup when it's ready to serve. Alright guys, here it is. This is how it's turned out. Yep, I think I left it the lower heat. It makes the rice a little bit too expand, and then it's less liquid right now. So yeah, that is not turn out what I expected, but I think it's gonna be fun. And there you go. Brian, he loves white meat, so I make white meat for him. And here you go guys, this is the green thing that I showed to you guys. And I keep saying the same thing, this is a spicy sauce, which is my favorite. Lemon, and then it's a bean sprouts that can go with it too. And one of the other thing that it really go good with this is this kind of I think it's a soybean. Alright guys, bon appetit. I'm gonna serve right now. Thank you guys. It looks yummy. Alright, ready to serve. Bon appetit guys.
Especially when the student's thinking teenager.
Alright, let's check with Brian how it is.
Good.
Big thumbs up. Alright. Alright guys, this is pretty much it about this cooking. I hope you guys enjoy my video, and I think this is a really easy food that maybe you can follow along after the video. If you do so, make sure you guys come back to me and let me know so I can go back and check how you do on your cooking. And if you like the video, make sure you guys give me big thumbs up, and then press the bell button. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe for me, so let's come enjoy the journey with me. Alright, thank you guys.